Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a few tips on some mistakes I see in certain spirals. We're going to be going through classic spiral, the side spiral, and princess spiral. At least that's what I think it's called. You can let me know in the comments. And with that all said, let's get on to the tips. So a common mistake I see on a classic spiral is to have the free leg way too far out onto the side where it's just not in line anymore. So as you can see here, I have it really far onto the side. This means I'm not able to do the split that I can do, and it's also going to give my hip quite an ouchie. So what you want to do is to bring that leg and the hip in line. And I'm not saying that it totally has to be way far in the back, that you can't even lift your leg. Of course, it can be slightly on the side, just not too much that it's kind of looking strange. So what you want to do right away is to bring that leg in line with your hip right from the start, and try to do this off ice as well. This is going to give you more confidence on the ice. So let's take a look at that spiral once more. As you can see, I'm already starting with my leg in line with my hip. And while I'm here, let me just mention it's really important to turn out your hip and your leg for the spirals and exits. Whenever your leg is extended, try to think about turning out that hip. So next spiral is the princess spiral. I mean, this is what we call it here in Germany. Same kind of thing. You're having your leg way too far out to the side that it starts to throw you off, actually. Usually, I don't see anyone being able to hold this quite long because it is difficult. It's going to throw you out of the circle. And so what you want to do is to keep it in line with your hip. Same thing. So maybe you can even think about bringing it a little bit back. So as you see here, I'm showing you the difference as to when it's on the side and when it's in line with your hip. And I'm going to show you on the boards as well. So here you can clearly see it, and it's just going to give you better balance in your spiral. Next up is our side spiral. A common mistake I see is having the standing leg really bent and also having the body way too far down. So what you want to do here is to try and stretch that standing leg as much as you can, as well as keeping a nice posture as you are doing the spiral. This is especially important when you're going back and forward. So try to get that posture nice and in check. Here I'm showing you on the board. It's really important to practice all of these spirals at home as well to gain that flexibility, and then you have really good confidence on the ice. So I hope you all enjoyed that video. I'll see you all in my next one.